Hello, and welcome to a brief overview of the AutoCloud platform. AutoCloud is both a day one build and a day two operate cloud ops platform. Here's how it works. Terraform producers will write a configuration file that sits alongside their existing Terraform modules that specifies how this module should be consumed by consumers, putting in place things like monthly spend budgets, compliance rule sets that should be checked, access control, how pull requests should be made, etc., etc. They then run the supply, and a module will show up for consumers in AutoCloud. For consumers, they simply go to select the module they want. Maybe it's an EKS generator. Select the environments. We'll dynamically change all the different values in the form here to have the correct linting and prefixing and perhaps a different number of auto-scaling nodes for prod versus staging. We dynamically pull in information such as the VPC IDs for different environments, different subnets. The next step is a full policy as code review here. After that, you're able to see the exact costs that this workload will cost if you were to deploy it. You can also add in fixed costs for data transfer, ingress, egress, auto scaling, all that fun stuff. And the end result of what you get is a pull request made against GitHub or GitLab or Azure DevOps with all of your correct Terraform code here. It's been checked, verified, and good to go using your existing module source. And once you run the apply through your existing processes, because AutoCloud has no opinions whatsoever about CI/CD, platform, anything of that nature, and the workload is live on cloud, we have a simple CI/CD integration step that calls back, and now all of your data is pulled in live from cloud, and you can view all of the different information from a day two ops perspective, including the costs for different providers and environments and workloads. You're able to understand the assets you have, the compliance information, zero configuration setup. You're able to see between any two deployments or any 2 points in time exactly what has been created, deleted, and changed, and the so what. For example, this IAM user should have their keys rotated. Here's why you should care. Here's how to fix it. You're able to dive in to view a visual diagram that's automatically created of your environment and understand things like how is it connected internally. We have a load balancer. It's sending traffic to these target groups, in this EKS cluster, these EC2 instances over here. You can view and transpose different insight data on top of this. Say that you want to understand from a PCI perspective where in your architecture or your workload there's issues. Easy to do that, easy to view the information here as well. And then lastly, a couple interesting capabilities that AutoCloud has. You're able to plug in the ARN of any AWS resource and understand the exact blast radius of that, what it can talk to, different actions it can perform. If it can actually hop into and has access to another resource, we can now hop into, say, an EC2 instance and view what that can access over here and go to a Lambda function and so on and so forth. All of the compliance data and security data is available in a more traditional 2D format, and we have a GraphQL API where you can query multi-cloud data to get back all of your insights in a single place. And that is a quick overview of AutoCloud. Thanks so much and have a great day.